Let's take a look at factors. Factors are the numbers that divide into a number. So for example, we've got 30 here. What we're trying to find here is what numbers will actually divide into 30 evenly. And one of the easiest ways to do this is do it in pairs. So think of a pair of numbers that you multiply together to get 30. And I always recommend starting with 1 times the number itself. So 1 times by 30. So there's two factors, 1 and 30. And then if you go in a systematic way, so 1, and then up from 1 we've got 2. And 30 does divide by 2 because it's an even number. So 2 times, so we'd need 2 15s to make 30. So you can see the first number here is doubled and the other number has halved. Then we want to go with 3. So we've done 1, we've done 2. Let's look at 3. So 3, yes, 3 times 10 makes 30. So far I've got 6 factors here for 30. Then we'll think about 4. Well, 4 doesn't divide into 30. It's not in your 4 times tables. So then we'll think of 5. Well, 5, yes, it does divide into 30 because all the 5 times tables end in 5 or 0 and 30 ends in a 0. So 5 times by 6, well, 5 times 6 makes 30. Now, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 didn't work, and we've now done 5. The next number after 5 is 6, but we've already got 6 here, so that means we have completed all our factors of 30. So there is 2, 4, 6, 8 factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 15. Those are the factors of 30. Let's take another example here. We've got 48. So always start with 1. 1 times the number itself. So 1 times 48. So there's our first two factors. Then we move on from 1 to 2. So 2 times what would make 48? Well, 2 times 24 would be 48. And then you need to think, is it in the 3 times tables? And you may need to actually work that out if you're not sure. So you could check 3 into 48. 3 into 4 goes once with 1 left over. 3 goes into 18. Well, 3 6s are 18. So yes, it is in the 3 times table. So 3 times by 16 is 48. Then let's move on from 3 to 4. And yes, it is in the 4 times table. So 4 times by, and that would be 12. 4 12s is 48. It's not in the 5 times tables because 5 times tables end in 5 or 0. And 6 times tables would be the next one. Well, if you know your 6 times tables, you'll know that 6 times by 8 makes 48. And then on from 6, we've got 7. And no, it's not in the 7 times tables because 7 sevens is 49. So then 48 can't be in the 7 times tables. And after 7 we have 8, but we've already got 8, so that means we have gone a full loop round. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factors in 48, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. So do them in pairs, start with 1 and the number itself, and kind of work in a systematic way so that you don't miss any out.